Here's the light, Joe.
Tell Washington to lay off that wet wire and shoot his stuff on the cable circuit. See what you can get from London and Tokyo.
Right.
Extra, extra! Lead-free is creating a buzz in electronics assembly.
But no worries, no need for concern. There will be some precautions to take, some new techniques to learn. That's what keeps life exciting, right? As you probably know, our industry is transitioning from tin lead to lead-free soldering. And almost everyone in manufacturing is going to be affected. The degree to which the conversion to lead-free will affect us depends on our particular job. For example, surface mount assembly operators will need to be aware of the differences in lead-free solder paste characteristics for stencil printing, along with how the thermal profile will change for lead-free reflow soldering. On the other hand, assembly inspectors will need to become knowledgeable about lead-free solder joint acceptance criteria based on the differences in visual appearance. This program will provide an overview of what's involved in making the switch to lead-free electronics assembly. We'll be examining the effect that lead-free alloys have on soldering, on visual inspection, on safety and the environment, and on moisture-sensitive surface mount devices. Let's begin by taking a look at lead-free solder alloys.